Welcome back, guys, to another video at Trains App. Today we're at Cambridge and this is 176.38 on the service from Birmingham New Street to Stansted International. Running 8 minutes late. I'm sorry about the wind, it's extremely windy today. That was 176.38 on the service to Stansted Airport. And this is 317.342. That's from Cambridge CSD. And that's 317.344. Alright, let's see what else she'll turn up here at Cambridge. Arriving in now is the 1321 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street, formed of a class 379 it looks like. This is the service from Cambridge North. Three 79024. Part now is 379024 on the service to London Liverpool Street. At 379020 to London Liverpool Street. Driving in now, looks to be another ECS movement. Looks to be a 379 or 387. Oh, the wind today is horrendous. That is 379013, I believe. 379013 is on the service to Stansted Airport now. Also arriving is the Great Northern service to King's Lynn. Service will divide here also. Arriving in now is another ECS movement from Cambridge CSD to Cambridge. 387-107. (387-103) is now leaving on the service to Kings Lynn. The other 387 on platform 1 is now on the move. 387-119. This is the service that has just terminated. There's another Great Northern 387 about to topple up some dirt. 387-107, so that'd be quite cool to see. That's 387-119 now. (387-124). Really. 379-010 has just arrived from London Liverpool Street on the service to Cambridge North. Arriving in now is the 1343 terminating service from Brighton for Thameslink, formed of a class 700. Right, departing now is 387-107 on the service to London King's Cross, running 10 minutes late due to an electrical fault outside Cambridge North. And 379-010 is also leaving on the service to Ipswich. And there's 379-010 leaving for Ipswich. And there's obviously 700. Right, leaving now, guys, is the 1356 service from Cambridge to Brighton, formed of 700-102. Nice two-turn there from the driver. That's 700-102 to Brighton. We also have another 700 in from London King's Cross. services are being cancelled due to the overhead signalling problems at Cambridge North. Ironically, I'm going to be going to Cambridge North next, so we'll see what we see, won't we? This is 700.012, arriving in from London King's Cross. Formed of an 8-coach 700 set. Arriving in now is the 1401 service for cross country to Birmingham New Street. Formed of a 170. 101. Three 17886. And 317665. That's 387128 on the service to London King's Cross. This is formed of a double pairing of 387s. This is the 1409 West Anglian service to Norwich, formed of 170-204. Which will be leaving any minute now. So I'll film it as and when it goes. The 1109 service, no, hold up, 1409 service, don't know why I said 11, to Norwich is now ready to depart, formed of 170-204. Leaving exactly on time. The 1414 Great Northern service to London King's Cross is now ready to depart. That is departed on time. The next train in will be my train, I believe, due to the delayment of the service to London Liverpool Street. But yeah, the next train in should be the 1424 service to Cambridge North. So there goes the service to London King's Cross. Right guys, this is where I'm going to be ending the video here at Cambridge. This is the 1422 service to Cambridge North, formed of a Thameslink Class 700. Really enjoyed Cambridge actually. I'm glad I got to spend more time here than the other day, so I won't post the video from the other day, only as it was 4 minutes long. The wind did not help, but you know, really enjoyed it. On to Cambridge North. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe and comment down below for any suggestions, and I'll get back to them as and when I can. This is 700-042. Thanks for watching guys.